or feeling alone is one of the saddest places to be. We can have all the money in the world, but if we don't have anyone to share with, we have nothing. Everyone needs the support and love of someone. In ancient times, people stuck together because they literally needed each other to survive. In today's world, we tend to spread out and live more isolated lifestyles. In some ways, this is a luxury, or somewhere people are so busy in earning money and fame that they leave behind the most important part of our lives, that is relations. Everyone feel we are part of a community or group, and that somehow we fit in. Alongside the deep drive is another natural human desire, that is the drive for growth. This is one happens almost automatically regardless of our desires for or against it. The two of these don't always play nice thought. When our natural progressions of growth move us to stand taller than the rest, suddenly we stop fitting in because we are standing out. In other ways, we had it better when we lived in close proximity. Humans are creatures of community and need each other for companionship. We need someone when we are sad. We need someone when we want to celebrate. As we move up the ladder of fame, we find our world becoming very, very lonely. Our old friends now find it difficult to interact with us as we have mentally distanced ourselves away from them. We cannot include them in our high social status. We feel in simple words. In the way to find solitude, people are getting stuck in loneliness. In the way to follow the real life, people are leaving the real life behind. In the way to earn more, people are losing the bond of love and attachment. In the way to gain fame, people suffer the loss of human connection. But in the end, we will feel like being in a place with 1,000 people around, but feeling invisible to every one of them. In the end, we will be so lost that it will be even difficult for us to find ourselves.